Hey there, friends. We've all seen the moon hanging up in the sky every night. But have you ever wondered just how far it really is? Well, the moon is about 384,000 kilometers away from the Earth. That's like stacking 30 Earth from here to the moon. Pretty well, right? It took the Apollo astronauts 3 days to get there, zooming in their big Saturn V rocket at an amazing speed of 39,000 kilometers per hour. That's 43 times faster than airplane we've seen zipping across the sky. While other times, it can be as far as 405,000 kilometers from Earth. It changes depending on where the moon is in its orbit around the Earth. So next time when you spot the moon glowing up in the sky, just remember, it's a giant floating rock full of mystery and wonder. Bye!